Four sounds of letter Y. Y has four sounds, that is Y, E, I, E. Here, these three sounds is letter Y is acting as a vowel. Okay. Here, the letter Y is a consonant. Y as a consonant. Yak, yellow, yes, beyond, lawyer, cayon. Rule is the letter Y is a consonant sound, that is ya, when it is at the beginning of a word. See, the letter Y says ya sound when it is beginning of a word. See, yak, yellow, yes. So that is the first rule number 1. Second one is when Y is the first letter in the syllable before a vowel. See here, we are here. This is a first syllable, second syllable. Here also, we are breaking the syllables. In this, two syllables are here. This is first syllable, second syllable, first syllable and second syllable. Okay. So what is saying? When Y is the first letter in the syllable before a vowel. See, the letter Y is before a vowel and it is in first letter in the syllable. Then Y says ya sound. Okay. Next we'll see when Y is adding as a vowel. Y as a short a sound, as in j, a, jim, a, th, myth, s, a, b, a, symbol, symmetric, s, a, a, t, ik, symmetric. We'll see when we have to say the short I sound. In a single syllable word, if Y is in the middle of the word, it says short a sound. See, it's a very small word or single syllable. So here Y is the only vowel. It's acting as a vowel. So when it is in the middle, see, the letter Y is in the middle, then it says the short I sound. Okay. Second one is if Y is in the middle of a syllable, it says short a sound. See here. This is one syllable, second syllable. This is one syllable. This is second syllable and this is a third syllable. Whatever it may be, how many syllables it may be. In a syllable, if the Y is in the middle, then it says the short I sound. See, whereas in here Y in a syllable, if it is a first letter, it says ya sound, that is consonant sound. Here you see, if the Y is in the middle of the syllable, it says short I sound. Okay. Y has long I. We say the Y has long I. Example, b-I, buy. K-I, cry. F-I, fly. Sh-I, shy. The rule is Y says long I sound at the end of a short word. See, these words are very short. So in this short words, when Y is at the end, then it says long I sound, that is I. Y has long E. Let's see. Baby, funny, creamy, family. Let us see the rule. When letter Y is in the end of two syllable or multi-syllable words, Y says long E sound. Thank you.